Now, let's go outside the shop. I'm going to bring a sander with a fresh sanding disc on it, and we're just going to see how the two types of flooring compare in a very high wear, high abrasive situation. So I've got a 6-inch random orbit sander here. I got a fresh 80 grit abrasive, and I'm going to get my cameraman to time out 1 minute as I just hold this in place on this shop finished piece of wood. It's stained, and then 3 coats of the toughest satin urethane I know about. So let's see what it does in terms of so this is simulating the resistance to abrasion that floors are always subjected to. So, okay. Well, do you see a difference? Of course you do. And I'm just holding it up and looking really closely. Now this was, of course, a very challenging test. And if I look closely, I can see a few scuff marks and things. But I mean, that's pretty impressive. Compare the two. Now this, of course, is simulating a lot more wear than you'd ever run into in your house, but it highlights just how tough this is. So as a wood guy, you know, I'm not supposed to like this stuff, but when it comes to floors, I'd rather not be finishing and refinishing them all the time or worrying about them in between. You know, oh, be careful, it's a fragile floor, as all hardwood floors are, in my experience. They are amongst the most fragile of floors, especially when it comes to scratches and things. But as you can see, there's a very authentic looking substitute that's amazingly tough.